So multi-stage sampling means sample is prepared by stages. Here, population is divided into number of large sampling unit, and each of the unit in turn is divided into smaller units. Again, it is subdivided into again smaller unit, and it goes on different stage wise. That's why it got the name as multi-stage. And for here, first we divide the entire population into various groups. Then it's sample drawn randomly. These are called the first stage unit. From there again the random selection will be drawn to the second stage. From there again if we want we can go taper to the smaller size. So here the advantages are easier to administer because of sampling list, and each stage is sampling unit in the each stage is geographically defined, requiring sampling list for selected area only, and disadvantages like not as accurate as simple random sampling and sampling of small size. Amount testing is difficult to carry out. The other two methods are sequential sampling or replicated sampling. Sequential sampling means this here researcher take very less sample and in the beginning and try to draw the inference on the basis of that sample. But the researcher is not happy satisfied with the data and the inference what he got it or she got it from the study, she can go for add on more unit from the method with the weights to enlarge sample evidence to see, so that she or he can draw the inference out of the data. This is very popular in drawing sample of destructible items like irreversibly lost or destroyed. Nowadays, this is used in taking decision to accept or reject quality of a given certain materials and other things as such. And the merits are its facilitate to conduct a study on a best possible smallest representative sample, helping you ultimately finding the inference of the study. Demerits is sampling unit must be capable of being observed in succession and require repeated entries into the field to collect the sample. On the other hand, replicated sampling means we draw two or more independent sample or replicate by some random method. Here, population is first divided into many zones as there are sample unit to be included in each sample. But here, the merits are various subsample can be compared with each of other before arriving at the main conclusion. And replicate sampling is particularly useful when it is not possible to study the whole sample in the allowed time or when the preliminary results are required quickly. When different subsamples are assigned to different investigators for study, this acts as a check on their performance, like replicating the study. So these are different types of probability. So the different types of probability are simple random sampling, systematic random sampling, stratified random sampling technique, proportional sampling, cluster sampling. Under the cluster itself, one stage and two stage cluster sampling and multi-stage sampling technique. Each one will have its own merits and demerits. Each one method will have, it depends upon the type and the convenience and the type of objective of the study we can select.